Vegans and vegetarians choose not to eat meat. Both veganism and vegetarianism are growing in popularity. However, some people may find the differences between these two diets a little confusing, particularly as there are several variations of vegetarianism. In this video, we explore the similarities and differences between veganism and vegetarianism. We also discuss health benefits, which diet is more healthful, which is better for weight loss, and risks and considerations. Now, let's start the video. What is a vegetarian diet? A vegetarian diet is an eating pattern inclined towards plant-based foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, seeds, and nuts. It does not include any slaughtered animal-like meat, such as pork, game, beef, or poultry such as chicken, turkey, duck, fish, insects, animal protein like rennet or gelatin, and fats derived from animals. Some vegetarian diets allow you to eat animal products like eggs, milk, and honey, foods that do not require killing or harming animals.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is a vegan diet? The vegan diet is an extended version of the standard vegetarian diet. It restricts every food type that a vegetarian diet does. But besides limiting the consumption of animal meat, fish, eggs, etc., it also restricts eating any food from an animal source. A vegan diet, for instance, prohibits the consumption of milk and dairy products. Additionally, vegans don't even eat honey. So a vegan diet only allows vegetables, fruits, grains, seeds, and nuts. It is the most restrictive and strictest type of vegetarianism. Vegan is vegetarian diets. Health benefits. Which of the two diet plans is better health benefits-wise? It may be difficult to correctly answer the same as vegetarian and vegan diets have their share of advantages and disadvantages. For example, unlike vegans who avoid animal products, including dairy, vegetarians get calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus from milk products. But on the other hand, vegans will have a better chance of keeping their cholesterol levels down by avoiding eggs and dairy, unlike vegetarians. But vegan vs. vegetarian diets, weight loss. Vegans gained less weight when compared to vegetarians and non-vegetarians over 5 years. In addition, those who switched their diet plan to consume fewer animal products gained the least weight. Risks and adverse effects. Nutritional deficits are in danger with any diet that restricts dietary types. Both vegan and vegetarian diets lack higher quantities of essential nutrients like proteins, iron, calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, which are exclusive to animal products and dairy. According to research, vegans hardly get calcium in their diet because they abstain from dairy products. Instead, vegans rely on soy for most of their protein intake, but it has its share of problems. Soy contains a compound called phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogen is a female sex hormone which mimics the hormone estrogen. The accumulation of this hormone in males can cause fat secretion and breast tissue development, leading to gynecomastia, erectile dysfunction, and other reproductive effects. A study from Switzerland noted that some vegetarians might be deficient in vitamin B6 and niacin, and vegans may lack omega-3 fatty acids and zinc more than those who consume animal products. Another study contradicted the usual belief that plant-based diets are healthy. It found that following such a diet and consuming junk foods may increase the risk of coronary heart disease. But it depends on an individual which foods they choose to eat. However, it is essential to have a balanced diet regardless of dietary choices and restrictions. The diet is acceptable if all the required nutrients are obtained and sufficiently absorbed. So, one should consider all the factors of a specific type of diet and decide if it is appropriate for them or not. You have to follow a diet plan depending on your body requirements and your motive for following a diet. Moreover, people considering themselves to be associated with any group should not bother or force others who do not agree with their opinions and ideology to agree with them. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.